Hi, to insert SIM card in your Xiaomi Redmi 10, you will need to take the ejector which goes in a complect with the device. You can use any other ones you have and even a needle, but be careful so you won't damage the slot. And now let's find where is the slot located. So, it is placed on the left side of your phone, and here you'll see this little hole in which you need to insert your ejector, then slightly press till this slot will pull out like that. And now just pull it out using your nails, and after that you'll find this SIM slot for the first SIM card, for the second, and for an SD card. So now we need to take the SIM card, place it in the first slot, and simply secure it in this position. And after that, we need to put it back in the phone. And if you have a SIM card PIN code, then you will need to enter it, but if not, just in a couple of seconds, you will see those signal bars in the upper right corner indicating that the SIM card was inserted correctly. Also, you can check it in the settings. Let's open settings, go in the mobile network, and now we can check information about the inserted SIM card. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.